PixAI for sponsoring this video. In this video, I'll show 3 different offers that are collectively giving away 5 months free Nitro. In the end, I'll also show you how to get free Nitro without any payment method. Before that, let's hear from our sponsor. In most AI art tools, when you try to generate something cool, and that's it, it just sits there. Now, I just want you to watch this first.
すごく綺麗だね。ねえ、見ててよ。
This is all done by the tool called PixAI. Now, this is not your average run-of-the-mill AI tool.
PixAI is a platform specialized in anime-style AI generation from images to videos that has been blowing up in Japan. With 15 million plus registered users and is ranked #1 in revenue in the Japan App Store graphic design category.
I'll give you a complete guide from generating stunning anime characters to turning them into smooth AI animation.
ねえ、見ててよ。
You don't need to know how to draw, you don't need years of experience, and you don't need expensive software. The cool thing is, when you create an account, you get 10,000 credits for free, and it will top up every day. Now sign into your free account, and type the prompt on the first page itself. I wrote this, but you can be creative with this. Anyway, click Generate. In just a matter of seconds, it has generated a pretty-looking girl that I described in my prompt. Now at your right-hand side, in Model, you will open that thing. You will find a bunch of models here like Haruka, Nagi, and so on. I will pick Tsubaki too. Then I will scroll down. Now open the aspect ratio section. Here, I will pick the YouTube ratio, which is landscape and 16:9. Then scroll down and keep number of images, batch times 4. Then scroll up and open Laura. Based on your character design, you will pick the art style here. I will pick Haruka V2 style, and then click Confirm Selection. Now simply click Generate. And our images have been generated. Look at the quality. It's unreal. It looks straight from anime. Imagine how good it would look when you animated it. That's why, see at the top and click Video. Select your favorite generated character image and switch to the video creation mode by assigning start and end frame images. In version, we will open that and pick version 4.0 preview for the best version. In duration, this can go up to 15 seconds, therefore, we will pick 15 seconds, but you can choose anything you like. In languages, there is English, Korean, Japanese, of course, and few other. Now it's time to add a motion prompt to animate this. You can use any AI or whatever to make a prompt for you. When it's done, click Generate. Within seconds, it has done its job.
Come, let me show you a dream. In the vastness of the cosmos, I have always been here, reaching for you.
On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll find all the generated images and videos there. You can now create anime clips, character showcases, and storytelling videos directly from your generated artwork. If you want to try out PixAI for free, check the link in my video's description and explore on your own. I personally loved it so much. Now let's get back to the video. Discord released a new promotion called Discord X Meta that will give you a 1-month Nitro.
Now, basically in a simple language, it means Discord is now available in the VR headsets of Meta. If you know what Meta is, they're the parent company behind Facebook and Instagram. If you have their VR headsets, you can get a 1-month Discord Nitro, and this is how it is done.
The first thing you would do is install Discord from Meta Horizon Store. So that's first. Then log in your Discord account, as shown here. As soon as you do that, you should receive the Discord Nitro offer on your screen or in the notification. Now, the rest of the info on the article is pretty much the same as it's always been in every article, like it's not available for some countries, and that you shouldn't have had Nitro for 12 months. And you will require payment method to claim this free Nitro. UNiDays and Discord have collaborated and are giving away free 1-month Nitro. This video won't just tell you about how to get your free Nitro, but also teach you how UNiDays can benefit you if you are a university student.
Now, in the simplest language, as a university student, if you have an account on UNiDays, you can get discounts on stuff. Say like, you can get discount on Starbucks, Apple products, and the products of all the companies that UNiDays have tie-ups with. And to be very frank, this also depends on the country you live in, because they even give discounts on some local companies. Now, if you want to know which companies you'll get discounts, just check the list and category here. This is the list of the countries they support. If you're from one of them, you should avail of this offer.
Now, let's create an account on UNiDays. Just go to the Discord article, click this hyperlink. It will take you straight to the page. Then click Join UNiDays now. If you don't see that blue button, that's alright, just go to the top left-hand side with 3 lines. There you can find Join Now option.
Alright, I've done it. Now mind you, this is only for the actual university students. It's not for school students, homeschooled, and the ones who are studying from some third-party online classes. First, they will ask you to log in with your casual email, and then they will ask you to add your student's email address that's given to you by your university. Your university email will look something like this, say if you're studying at Haskell Islands. First, there will be your name, then Haskell Islands, and then .edu or your local university domain. Mostly only that will work.
Once that's done, you can go to the search bar and get your free Nitro. Now in the article, they have mentioned list of the countries here. It is possible that if you're not from one of them, you may not get your Nitro. Beside that, there are other requirements too, like you shouldn't have had Nitro for 12 months and you need payment method to claim it. But hey, if you're a university student, you can get discounts at least, and it covers most of the countries. You know why you're here. Let's cut the chase. Find the NVIDIA link in Discord article. Now go to NVIDIA's GeForce website. On the first page itself, you will find the Nitro page. Now to get the Discord Nitro, you need to download the app and create an account on NVIDIA's page. This works only on Windows PC. I tried it on my MacBook and it didn't work. I'm sure that also won't work on phone. Now I am downloading this app on my PC. It is super easy. Installing this app on your PC is also pretty normal, like you install any other apps. But honestly, I have no idea why I am unable to download it. I guess it's because my PC is not compatible for this app.
But don't worry, after creating your account, on the home page, you'll find Redeem option. Just go there, you should be able to find your free 3 months of Discord Nitro.
There are a few requirements such as, you need to add a payment method to claim your 3 months free Nitro. This could be your debit card, credit card, or PayPal. You can't use your local payment methods here. The second requirement is, you shouldn't have had your Nitro for the past 12 months. This includes the ones you buy, free Nitro trials, and share Nitro. But they didn't mention anything about Orbs Nitro, so that's fine I guess. The third requirement is, it has a time limit. It will last till August 24th. You have only 1 month.
The fourth requirement is, this offer does not work for these countries. This is important because new countries have been added to the list like China, Cuba, Venezuela, Brazil, Sudan, and Belarus. It will not work even if you use VPN. Now, the fifth requirement is kind of an unspoken one just based on my own trial and error. It's not going to run on a phone, a Mac, or a potato Windows setup like mine. You're really going to need a decent Windows PC or laptop that can actually handle the NVIDIA app. One way to find that out is to try to install the app. If you can, your PC is perfect. If you can't, your PC is a potato.
Now do not skip this, or you'll lose your $30 next month. Go to your user settings. Scroll down a little, you should find subscription. You need to go there. After claiming 3-month Nitro, you'll find it sitting here. Just cancel it. Don't worry, you won't lose it. Then go to billings. Here you will find your payment method you used to claim it. Just remove it. They will ask your Discord password. Type that and remove your payment method. What we did just now is removed your auto payment. If you don't remove it before your free Nitro, Discord will start charging you $30. And mind you, Discord doesn't refund. Now I'll show you a method that can give you free Nitro without payment method. There are a lot of global quests. Let's start doing them. First is WWE Champions Wrestling RPG quest. After that, there's the Elder Scrolls Online quest. When you're done, there's Marvel Strike and then League of Legends quest. Then there's Egg Hunt quest. Once you got it over with that, do Episode Reality Stars quest and Fatal Fury CODW quest. After that, don't forget to do Batman Caped Crusader Chronicles quest. And then the last quest is from Game of Thrones, Dragonfire. Now listen to this carefully. Now to see new quests, we need to use VPN and switch our location to the United States if you are not living in the US. Before we start, I must warn you though, that people's Discord accounts received temporary bans after switching their location to the United States, including mine. But it happened to me when I forgot to turn off the VPN and tried sending image. But anyway, if you want to carry on with this, it's on you. Now, after enabling your VPN, make sure to refresh your Discord page to see the new quests. The first is Amazon. The second is from Hulu Animeum. The third quest is from Assassin's Creed Black Flag Recent Quest. Now, quest is interesting. Watch this carefully. To get the 700 orbs, you need to create an account. But you can do it without creating an account. Just start the quest and leave it like that. The bar at the top will automatically reach 100% on its own. You can also switch the app and do something else. No need to stay on the screen. Now, within 20 to 25 minutes, my quest was automatically done. I don't know if it's in phone or not. So yeah, all our quests are completed. But before claiming all the orbs, please make sure to turn off your VPN first and refresh your page. Otherwise, number 1, you will need to do a lot of captchas to claim your orbs. And number 2, you could get temporarily banned by Discord's AI security bot if it detects a location change. These quests have given us 2,900 orbs, which is almost 300 orbs. Enough to give you free Nitro. All the quest links will be available in this video's description. While you're at it, you can check out this video too and learn how to make a 24/7 AI chatbot without coding for your server.
That's all there is in the video. You can join my server if you want decor and layouts. Honestly, that's alright even if you don't want it. Just join us to make some new friends. And thanks to all who have subscribed to my channel. I truly appreciate you guys.